When signing up for IGNnotify's free waiting list app, use an email address you can access on the device you will use to run the app. Please fill in all required information and click Submit. This will create your unique customer record and grant you access to the waiting list app. You will only need to do this once. In the future, you will only need to provide your email address to generate access to the app. Now that you completed registration, the system will send you an email containing your unique link with access to your waiting list. If you do not receive an email within 5 to 10 minutes, check your spam folder. Be sure to mark it as not spam. Once you find the email, open it and click on the link, or copy and paste it into your web browser. This will take you to the waiting list app. You can now start using IGNnotify's free waiting list app. As a token of our appreciation, we've credited you with 50 SMS messages. When enabled, these messages will automatically notify customers when they are added to the waiting list. Each message will include a link that allows them to track their wait time and position on the list, reducing the number of inquiries about their wait time. You will also be able to notify them that you are now ready for them with just the touch of a button. If you enable SMS, once you add a customer to the list, they will instantly receive an SMS text message. This message will let them know they've been added to the waiting list along with a clickable link. Once they click on the link, they will be taken to a status page letting them know their position on the list and how long the wait time is. Now let's go over button functionality. Starting at the top left, we have the logout button. The logout button signs you out of your current account or session. Next is the Disable SMS button. This button will turn on and off your SMS messaging. If enabled, anytime you add a customer to the waiting list, the system will send them a text message letting them know they've been added to the list and a link that they can click on to monitor their status and position on the waiting list. If it is disabled and you add someone to the waiting list, the system will pop up a QR code that your customer can scan with their phone, which will allow them to open up the status page. The Contact Us button provides a way for you to reach out to us for support, assistance, or to answer any questions. Up on the top right, we have the system date and time. The next row down, we have Waiting. This will display the number of people that are currently waiting. Next to that, we have Done. This is the number of people that you have completed their wait. Next, we have Abandoned. These are the people who decided to leave before you were ready for them. Next to that, we have the Average wait time. This will adjust as you mark customers as done. In this scenario, we are going to add a customer with SMS disabled and then SMS enabled. We will then show you how the Notify button works when SMS is enabled. When a customer is added to the waiting list, you will see what position they are in, the name they are under, the size of their party, and their phone number. Below that, you will see the number of messages sent, and how long they have been in the queue waiting. Once you click on the red Notify button, two things will happen. First, a text message is sent to that customer letting them know that you are ready for them. Second, a Notify timer will start letting you know how long it's been since you've notified them. At any given time, you can click on the black QR code button, which will pop up the QR code for your customer to scan. This will take them to the waiting status page. This is really only needed if SMS is disabled. The orange button is the Abandoned button. This is used if your customer has left and is no longer there to mark as done. The yellow button is the Edit button. This is used if you need to edit any of the information on that customer. The blue button is your Delete button. This button is used to delete the customer from the list if they were added by mistake. Thank you for watching this how-to video. As you can see, our waiting list app is user-friendly, intuitive, and powerful. Best of all, it's completely free to use. We appreciate your time and look forward to welcoming you to the IGNnotify family.